A biometric system was installed today at Alina Betani English Medium High School in Palamaner. The system features attendance tracking through face recognition and password login. The installation at the school was completed successfully.
When the shadows call my name, I rise up from the flame. I am Shabir, an inspirational hero. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I am Shabir.
Information regarding these biometric machines with face reading features can be obtained by contacting the relevant service provider.
Whoop the pop, clap, back, pop. Whoop the ang and bang and tea clang. Whoop the eaty hippity zip. Whoop the ip bob and up lip. Hey, bang a bop, whatcha, sing a ling, gotcha. Gap, tap or flip. A hop, hip or dip, kick. Fill a pop and giggle, quarter and a pump or nickel. Gang a lang, zip it. Pop or doodle, I bit. Clap, bob or nap, click, chip or snap. Shake a lake, pop a lock. Clap, clap.